set of awards brings us to Atlantis the Palm, a Dubai institution. This 1,500 room beachfront resort has recently completed a $100 million expansion earlier this year, and it appears busier than ever. They dealt swiftly with the COVID-19 health pandemic too, offering guests PCR tests on site, and they plan to vaccinate the entire hotel staff in the coming weeks. I caught up with Tim Kelly, the Executive Vice President and Managing Director of Atlantis the Palm, to ask him about the 3 World Travel Awards they've won for 2020. Well, first of all, congratulations on these awards.
Thank you. So excited.
In light of the year that 2020 has been, just how special is it being recognized yet again?
Well, I think it's always important to be recognized and to find that there's some value and some reward in the effort that you put forward. And obviously 2020 has been a challenging year for us, dealing with the pandemic, closing the property, reopening the property, but being able to still be recognized for those efforts is very special.
As we stand here today, we can see the hotel is busy though.
It is busy, yes. A beautiful festive window. It's been a great close to 2020 and hopefully a brighter start to 2021.
We hope so. What is it about Atlantis the Palm that keeps bringing people back? Why do you think it is such a Dubai institution?
I think the most important thing is it's iconic, not only in its architecture, but we also keep reinventing ourselves. And we find new ways in which to upgrade, improve, enhance, and change the facility. So when you come back to Atlantis, you never see the same thing twice. There's always a new experience, a new catch, a new caveat for you to experience.
And speaking of that, you've had a $100 million expansion over the
Big renovation, yes, 2 years.
Tell me about, I know we've got a brand new water park expansion opening next month.
Yes.
What else should we be excited about?
Well, we've done a lot of great renovations and improvements to the resort, right? The guest rooms, obviously we have a water park expansion that will be opening early February. That's a 33% expansion of our water park. So we'll have 3 towers, a children's area, a teens area, and then a major tower with 7 innovative rides that were actually designed only a year ago that actually features the longest slide in the world. Do you know how long it takes to go down the longest slide in the world?
Tell me.
45 seconds, end to end, and it's called Shockwave. So we're really excited to have that join our family.
Now, are you going to be going down the new Shockwave?
Of course, I'm part of the testing process. Yes, very important. Of course, after a lot of people have gone before me.
The right way to do.
Yes.
What's your favorite thing about the hotel? What is something about the hotel that's really special to you?
Well, I think what's important to me and what I find that's special is the fact that there's a lot of joy here, a lot of energy, but we're all things to all people. And there's something for everyone when you come to Atlantis. I call it very often a stationary cruise ship. It's a place where, regardless of who you are, where you're from, what it is that you like, dislike, prefer, all of those things, there's something for everybody at Atlantis. We're not one-dimensional, and I think what I like the most is that we are multifaceted in who we are.
How have you dealt with the pandemic this year? I know you have PCR testing on site. You're also looking at the vaccine. Tell me a bit about that.
A lot of stringent protocols. So obviously a lot of staff training, a lot of certifications. We're certified through the Bureau Veritas. We were one of the first 30 hotels in the world recognized by Forbes Travel Guide as actually safety certified. We do complimentary PCR testing for guests that stay 5 nights or longer that are traveling internationally. We do all sorts of different types of signage, sanitation standards. I've added probably about 65 to 85 different staff members throughout the resort that are really just in charge of hygiene, sanitizing areas. And I think that it's important that guests feel comfortable and that they visibly see that we're taking all the right steps and doing all the right things, especially when you are a large resort like we are.
And I know you're looking at introducing the vaccine to all of your hotel staff quite soon as well.
Yes, we're working now with the DTCM on a solution to really vaccinate not only our resort, but something that we want to take really throughout the hospitality industry. And we think that it's important not only to do it from a socially responsible perspective, but also for the welfare and safety of our colleagues, as well as for our guests. And we think that that will be, again, another advantage for Dubai in showing how safe we are as a travel destination and really how seriously we take this matter.
Yet another reason for people to keep on coming back. Finally, I want to ask you, can you give me a little insider perspective of the hotel? Is there a must-do, a must-see that people aren't typically aware of?
Well, I think when you think of what are kind of like the little unique tips or tricks or things that there are, there's one thing that we do offer that not a lot of guests take advantage of, and that's a behind-the-scenes tour. And it's an opportunity for you to visit our fish hospital. We have 65,000 marine animals, and in there we have little baby sharks that are born. We have baby rays, we have baby dolphins, we have sea turtles that we care for that are maybe that wash up on shore. So there's a rescue center. So all of those different elements are areas that we really don't share so much with the public that we really participate in. And I think that conservation element is an area that really is unknown and that we need to share more with the general public.
Absolutely. I love that. I didn't know that. And I've been here for 11 years as well.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much for your time. Tim, best of luck for an even bigger and better 2021. And we'll see you back with more awards this coming year.
Absolutely. We hope so. More than 3.
Deal. Thank you again.
Happy 2021.